Greetings to everyone. Welcome to Sapling School. We have a big campus, pollution free in the labs of nature. It is a co educational school. Here, academic and curricular activities are integrated to bring out the best in every child and learn more from the school's director.
हमारा लक्ष्य है बच्चों के चौमुखी विकास की मजबूत नींव रखना। इस दिशा में हम सार्थक प्रयास कर रहे हैं। अभिभावकों से भी हम पूरे सहयोग की आशा रखते हैं।
Let's explore Sapling School. Our school boasts a modern infrastructure that fosters a conducive learning environment. The well-equipped classroom, library, and laboratories provide students with ample resources to explore and learn. The school sports facilities, playgrounds, and auditorium promotes physical activity, creativity, and overall development with advanced technology integration. Our school ensures students stay ahead in the digital age. The safe and accessible infrastructure supports the diverse need of our students, making it an ideal place for academic growth and personal development. Our school offers a safe and reliable van facility for students, ensuring convenient transportation to and from school. Parents can have peace of mind knowing their children are in good hands. Our school assembly is a daily gathering where students and teachers come together to start the day on a positive note. Now let's take it a step further and knowing about classroom and classroom learning. Our classrooms are well equipped and conducive to learning, providing a comfortable environment for students to explore and grow. Our teachers engaging lesson and real world example. They inspire students to explore diverse perspectives and develop a deeper understanding of the world around them. A teacher is dedicated to making complex concepts accessible and fun and encouraging students to tackle challenges and develop a strong foundation in mathematics. And next, we would like to take you through our state of the art labs and library facility. Our computer lab is a hub for digital learning equipped with modern computers and advanced technology. The lab's interactive environment fosters creativity, innovation, and problem solving, preparing students for success in the digital age. Our science lab is a dynamic space where students explore scientific concepts through hand-on experiment and investigations. Students conduct experiment, collect data, and analyze the result, developing a deeper understanding of scientific principles and phenomena. Our library is a vibrant learning hub offering a vast collection of books. It's a quiet space for students to explore new ideas. Our playground is equipped with exciting kids swings, rides, and play equipment, providing a fun and safe environment for children to play, explore, and socialize. It's the perfect spot for kids to burn off energy, make friends, and enjoy the outdoors. Our school offers a diverse range of sports, including basketball, volleyball, badminton, and other athletics. These sports help students develop teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship while promoting physical fitness and mental well-being. Through sports, students can discover their talent, build confidence, and learn valuable life skills. Our audiovisual classrooms are designed to enhance learning with technology, equipped with interactive whiteboard, visual effects, and sound system. Audiovisual room facilitate engaging lessons, presentations, and discussion. This setup support diverse teaching method, catering to different learning styles and promoting students' participation. Our craft class is a creative haven where students can express themselves through various art forms. It is a space that encourages imagination, innovation, and self expression. After a productive day of learning, students head home, eager to share their experiences with family and friends. The end of the school day marks the beginning of extracurricular activities, sports, or simply relaxing time with loved ones. Thank you. Now I will take you to the person who will tell you the deeper things of the school, that is our esteemed principal, Mrs. Sadhna Singh.
एजुकेशन विद एक्शन इज द फाउंडेशनल की ऑफ सक्सेस। कार्यशील क्रिया सहित शिक्षा ही सफलता की आधारभूत कुंजी है और इस दिशा में हम सार्थक प्रयास करते हुए बच्चों के मानसिक विकास के साथ साथ उनके शारीरिक विकास की ओर भी ध्यान दे रहे हैं, जिसके लिए हमने विद्यालय में निम्न प्रकार की खेल गतिविधियां रखी हैं, जैसे बास्केटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल, बैडमिंटन, शूटिंग, आर्चरी, वेट लिफ्टिंग, डिस्कस थ्रो, शॉट पुट आदि। इसके साथ ही हमारा लक्ष्य है बच्चों को बेहतर शिक्षा देना, जिसके लिए यहाँ ऑडियो विजुअल क्लासेस भी लगाई जाती है, जिससे बच्चों को अपने विषय से संबंधित अधिक जानकारी प्राप्त हो सके। और कंप्यूटर लैब है जहां बच्चे कंप्यूटर प्रैक्टिकल करते हैं। साइंस लैब है जो चैप्टर के साथ बच्चे एक्सपेरिमेंट भी करते हैं। लाइब्रेरी है जहां बच्चे अपने ज्ञान को बढ़ाने के लिए बुक्स पढ़ते हैं। और इसी लक्ष्य के साथ मैं सभी अभिभावकों से अनुरोध करूंगी कि वे अपने बच्चों के सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए हमारा निरंतर सहयोग करें और उनका उत्साहवर्धन करें। धन्यवाद।